Tonight we are hosting an event at Coleg Gwent on how the net zero agenda is shaping the automotive industry.
So my name is James Dillion. I'm a specialist in automotive technology and I'm here at Coleg Gwent tonight to talk about electric vehicles and the impact that electric vehicles are going to have on aftermarket garages, and also how the college is set up to help those garages with training, tools, equipment and advice to make them best placed to take advantage of the change in automotive ownership from internal combustion engines to electric vehicles.
It's good to see the figures of how things are changing. We've put a lot of time and money and training into what we do currently with EVs, so it's good to see that eventually it may all pay off, you know.
It's a very informative evening. Obviously, the motor industry is moving extremely fast. It's always good to have the training and jump on these courses.
Yep, so it's a great evening. The college were showing their entire resources that have been invested in, so the college is well equipped to deliver a wide range of training. The main takeaways, I think, from the garages tonight were really the fact that they need to adapt to the change, and the college really being on their doorstep to help them facilitate that change in terms of training.